Are you want to start making money online but not sure where to begin? Whether you are looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, I have got you covered. In this video, I am breaking down simple real ways you can start earning. No fancy skills, no fluff. Let's get into it. How to make money with social media. First option is choose your platform. Select the social media platform that best suits your content, style, and target audience. Second option is create engaging content. Develop high quality, captivating content that resonates with your followers and encourage interaction. Third option is build your audience. Grow your following by posting consistently, engaging with your audience, and using relevant hashtags. Fourth option is monetize with sponsored posts. Partner with brands to create sponsored content and promote their products or services. Fifth option is sell products or services. Use your platform to market and sell your own products, courses, or services directly to your audience. And that's it. Those are some of the best ways to start earning today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips just like this. Got questions or want me to cover something specific next time? Drop a comment below. I am always reading.